Here are 20 easy crochet projects that are beginner friendly. Number 1 is scrunchie. There are so many variations of how you can make a scrunchie, and it takes very little time and it's so fun to make if you ask me. Number 2, headbands. Another thing that has so many variations to it, and you can make it unique in so many different ways, so many beautiful colors that can go together as a headband. Number 3, keychain. They can look so unique and be customized to your specific tastes. Number 4, coasters. They are cute if you ask me. Number 5, purses. Again, there's so many variations to purses and you can make them look so unique and so eye-catching. Number 6, earrings, because why not? Number 7, washcloths. Number 8, wallets. Number 9, crochet flowers. They look so cute as home decor and you can even give them to people as presents. I feel like they really stand out and they're just easy to make. Number 10, hair bows. I also think they are very cute looking hair accessories, just like scrunchie and headband. Number 11, bookmarks, because again, why not? Number 12, book sleeves or a Kindle sleeve if you have one of those Kindles. Number 13, fingerless gloves. Unless you're in a country like Nigeria where you don't really need gloves, the weather does not really need gloves, but you can still make it as a very cute accessory. Number 14, beanies or head warmers. I feel like they might not be as easy or quick to make as like headbands, but they are still very cute and there are a lot of color combinations you can try for a beanie. Number 15, bottle holders, because why not? You can put your bottle in it and to look really cute. Even if your bottle is like just a regular plastic bottle, you can still put it in your bottle holder and to look really cute. Number 16, phone charms. They're very cute accessories for your phone. Number 17, photo card holders, especially if you're like a K-pop fan and you have like those photo cards, those idol photo cards, you can make very cute photo card holders for them. Number 18, 19, and 20 might be a little bit on the harder side for some people, but I feel like it's still beginner friendly. Number 18, bucket hats. Number 19, ruffle hats. There's a difference when it comes to the brim between bucket hats and ruffle hats. If you do a lot of research, you will see the difference. And finally, number 20, mini bags. You can make very small bags that can contain your phone, maybe your power bank too. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification. Bye!